Yeah. Finally here, G. Willikers.
Yeah.
Dad? Oh, I'm right here.
Where's the dragon?
We're not looking for a dragon, we're looking for the moose. I think it's a moose anyways. It was like...
Well, Simmons told me you were looking for a dragon.
Yeah, Dad, I'm pretty sure it was a dragon. It was a moose, dipshit. Now, come on, guys. Go.
Alright. What?
Am I loaded?
I think so.
Loaded? Nope.
Do you see it anywhere?
I need to do the dragon call. Okay. Got him there. Stupid dipshit.
So why don't I have a gun? What if the dragon comes charging at me while you're gone or something?
Are you joking? You're bait. Right.
I'm bait?
Woo! Dragon!
I don't want to be bait. Come on, please.
Well, you're bait, no matter whether you like it or not. Where'd you get that hat?
When I found it.
Alright.
I think I saw some dead guy.
There it is! There it is!
Wait, what?
Man, I'll just be looking for some food out here, man. I'm gonna find some food. Food! Food! I don't see any food anywhere. Oh, food.
What's... Woody, why does it talk about food and looking at us?
It's charging. Run!
Oh, hamburgers! Oh, Dad! No! Woody, you got your son! Oh! Oh, Woody, help me! Woody, help me! Woody! Woody, help me! Woody, help me! Woody, help me!
Hey, get off of him!
Oh, thank God. Oh, flash came out. Great, now this video's gonna look pretty choppy. So, Woody, let's go hunting for something else.
Yeah.
Come on, Woody, let's go.